Kali and Rakta Bija. Understanding the power of transformation. Unlock the secrets of your menstrual cycle with the wisdom of Kali and her fierce battle against Rakta Bija. In the ancient land of Bharat, the gods sought help from Goddess Durga to defeat the nearly invincible demon Rakta Bija. Unleashing her ferocious aspect, Kali, she consumed his blood, preventing new demons from spawning and ultimately restoring balance. Kali's emergence. When the gods are overwhelmed by Rakta Bija, Durga invokes Kali, embodying raw, transformative energy. This represents the moment of realization for any woman experiencing menstrual turmoil, recognizing the need for inner strength and transformation. Battle strategy. Kali's shift from attacking to consuming Rakta Bija's blood symbolizes adapting one's approach to menstrual challenges. Understanding one cycle, embracing changes, and finding personalized coping strategies are vital. Shiva's intervention. Shiva calming Kali by lying in her path exemplifies the need for balance and support. It's a reminder to seek harmony, rest, and understanding, sometimes even from others or ourselves. The story of Kali's dance of destruction teaches us that menstrual cycles are not just biological processes, but powerful transformations. By embracing the fierce energy of Kali, women can understand their cycles better, using each phase, whether it brings pain or pleasure, as an opportunity for personal growth and renewal. Like Kali, channel your potent energy, embrace change, and transform chaos into order. This ancient narrative encourages women to see their menstrual cycles as a profound journey of self-discovery and empowerment.